Right guys, out on another mission, going for a bit of a dive. Got Aaron and Mike with us today, going to go and slay some crayfish hopefully. So it's the last weather window for a few days, so we're going to make most of it. Load up and get out of here. Woo! Oh, made it to our cray spot, hopefully. So Mike's ready to get in. Aaron's pretty close.
Fluffing around as usual.
Oh, I'm fluffing around as usual.
No, not you, Aaron.
I'm still fully dressed. Yeah, they'll get in, then we'll get all my crays away and get wet. Choice! I'll get suited up and I'll get in a minute. Awesome. You keen, Aaron?
Super keen.
Guys, all suited up, ready to get in. The other two boys are already in, having a good old time, so I'm going to get in and start swimming along. There's a couple of weedy patches over here. Ideally, I want to get a couple of Kina, back to eat another Kina, and I'm going to make them on some Kina. And also, I want to get a couple of crays. I've got someone that really appreciated crays, so that's the main target today. And having a good old time. Righto, let's get in the water. Oh well, ended up with a good little haul here. Mike's crays are all legal. They're all just legal. So just doing the Tilson clipping. But yeah, all legal. Nice butter, couple of cod. Good stuff. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
Very good. Oh, a couple of nices in there.
Woo!
Oh, he showed us up a little bit, I think. Certainly me.
There's one there that's cushion. That one's
That's
not.
a good size, yeah, and I got one about the same as that.
Oh,
That's good. Get ya. Woohoo! Fine, a good time.
That
Nice
one,
spot in
that
there.
one was, yeah, that's a
Beauty. Ah, that's nice. I was it'd be 40, 42, something like that, I think.
oh, probably 60, 65.
60, 65. Oh, just having a bit of a measure up and heading to another spot. I think Mike's pretty keen to go and get some more. And I think I need to get in and get another couple. So, see how we go. Aaron and Mike are back in over there. Just want to get another couple of crays. We've got a few people we want to give some crays to, so normally I only go diving and take a couple of crays, bit of a feed, but today we are taking our quota if we can, or just under. Get a few for a feed and a few to give away to some friends that haven't had any for a while, so see how we get on. We're going to need about another 5 I think, or 4 to get our quota for 3 of us, so it's going pretty good. Right, awesome. Oh, just been for a second dive, not much in this spot, but we have loaded up on the old Kina. And a few more parlor, so that's good. So, look at that. Kina, 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 Kina. Good to take a few because there's so many Kina down here. Oh well guys, we've got the 2 boys back out in the water over here. Yeah, just for a third little dive, just try and get a couple more power and maybe a couple of fish, another cray. Don't really know what's in there, so it'd be good to have a look. And picking up another feed, more sausages. So it'd be quite nice for the boys to get out of the water and have a hot feed. So anyway, that's good. Hopefully they can get something else, but we're going pretty well. Heaps of Kina, crays, awesome day. Venison, are they? Yum. Got some gloves, mate. Back on the trailer, all done. Crack a day. Busy down here. Oh, yep.